got a pair of ACUs coming in for another outbound. Take a haircut! How you doing? 73-37, 73-39. Shaving haircut from 2 ACUs. Pulling in the crescent. I feel like this is Duluth for some reason. So look, they just cleared that signal.
Yep.
So Dad, do you know what that train's gonna do?
Probably picking up something.
It's going on that track right there to pick up probably these 2, 4, 5 cars. Wow. Hey guys, we have an Amtrak coming through Plant City, Florida. Shaving haircut? Yes, sir. All right, guys. We have another Norfolk Southern freight train. I'm gonna get a picture of it. Hopefully I will. Probably not, though. Here we go. It's going to go crazy.
Camera's good.
It is. How is that not an 8?
I didn't see those gates go down. That's shocking.
Yeah! Guys, we're getting something. Sounds like BNSF. It literally sounds like a BNSF. That was short.
So what type of train was that?
A local. All right, guys, we got NF 1800. Yes, sir.
That's your first, right?
Yeah, that's the second time I've heard that unit. I've seen that unit. God, look what we got. 6339. SD40E and 3360. SD40-2. Man, the games are still on down there. Wow. We might be looking at a monster here. DPU? No. Beautiful K5LA. Wow. Very nice. The gates are still down there. Wow. About time. I'm sorry for the rain, guys. It's just Mother Nature not cooperating with us at this point. Nice. Any DPUs? I don't think there is. This is a monster. Holy moly. Guys, if you look back there, the gates are still down all the way down there. The weird thing is, the gates down there are not even flashing. That is a problem. And also, why is this going awfully slow? Well, I get the point that they're pretty long. Holy moly! And the gates are off. Gates are off down there. All right. All right, y'all. This is some train. Huh. Oh, there's engines in the back. And train DPU. Let's go. All right. End train DPU. Here we go. It's coming up. I wonder what the engines are going to be. This is a long local. Oh, wow. Gondola Operation Lifesaver. Okay. Is that an entry? Nope. There's your tail. Oh my God. Holy mother of God. Okay. Bye-bye. C39 or C38. There he goes, guys. Very nice. There goes the gates. Once they're done, I'm going to end my video. Bye-bye. All right, y'all.
This thing's out of crawl.
I know.
Turtle's gonna beat you. Turtle's gonna beat you. Okay, here.
It's time to replace, right? Well, dang.
83 cars.
83?
Yeah.
Holy mother of God.
Why do you think I was quiet? I was counting the whole time. 83 and a half minutes.
Off they go.
All right.